This is just a video for me or for whoever that's gonna help me verifying that the crank sensor that's dangling right there works. That little piece of shit. So if you listen to the back, you can hear the fuel pump whine as I touch that motherfucker with this shit right here. This goddamn bolt. Yeah, swinging around with a bolt. It's gonna show you. So if you listen closely, I'm gonna shut my big ass mouth and then yeah, listen. Right here. Something else is clicking as well in the engine bay, which I don't know what it is, but otherwise, that's how you test the mug works.